Hi friends, today we are going to see how to develop a Google speech assistant or how to use Google Assistant in Tamil in our own way for our own search or for our own purposes. For example, here I have built a speech assistant with Python and you can see the demo of it and we will be building it in quite a few time now.
நான் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு உதவி செய்ய முடியும்?
உனது பெயர் என்ன?
எனது பெயர் கூகிள் உதவியாளர். நான் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு உதவி செய்ய முடியும்?
தேடு.
என்ன தேட விரும்புகிறீர்கள்?
தற்போதைய நியூஸ் நிலவரம் இன் தமிழ்.
நீங்கள் தேடியது இதோ. நான் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு உதவி செய்ய முடியும்?
தேடு.
என்ன தேட விரும்புகிறீர்கள்?
தற்போதைய செய்தி அறிக்கை அரசியல் சம்பந்தமாக.
நீங்கள் தேடியது இதோ. நான் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு உதவி செய்ய முடியும்?
எனது பெயர் என்ன?
உனது பெயரை தமிழில் உரைக்கவும்.
சரவணன்.
உனது பெயர் சரவணன். நான் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு உதவி செய்ய முடியும்?
உனது முதலாளியின் பெயர் என்ன?
என்னுடைய முதலாளியின் பெயர் சரவணன் நடராஜன். நான் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வாறு உதவி செய்ய முடியும்?
நிறுத்து.
நான் வெளியேறுகிறேன்.
So we are going to build a same assistant, speech assistant using Google. We are going to use Google online, recognize Google and everything, and we are going to make a speech assistant now. So before that, I will create a new file, and I will talk about the requirements of this one. You need to install the following. You need to install speech. For example, you need to install in command prompt pip install speech recognition, which I have already installed. And pip install pyaudio, which is also installed. Pyaudio, you need to install this also, and this is also installed, already installed, and you have to install pip install gtts for text to speech, and pip install play sound. You also install. You have to install pip install play sound. play sound is also already installed. So these are the dependencies for this program. So we will start with the coding now. So first of all, we will import speech recognition. So not able to see the font, I'll just change the font. Format font. Font tabs, first page is right. Bold size 14 will keep. Fine. Okay. So import speech underscore recognition as SR. So first we will introduce speech recognition, and then we will do this one. So now R is equal to SR dot recognizer. Right. Then we will create with SR dot microphone as source. What we will do is or source. So we need to listen to the microphone. So recognizer class is there, and we need to or dot listen of source. We need to listen to the source. So this is the audio data. Next, we'll get the voice text equal to or dot recognize underscore Google of audio. Comma language equal to TA-IM, right? So we'll create this and then print voice text. We'll just print the voice text right now. Simple, right? So now we will save this. Tests. New folder. Setup. Speech assistant. So we'll do that. F5 for running this. என்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன? என்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன? So so we don't get it, and then anyway, so we need to set energy threshold to be 4000, I believe so. Energy underscore threshold equal to 4000. என்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன? You received this one, so you have got the data. So we will, energy threshold is 4000. We will, so it is displaying the text now. We need to make it to speak the text first of all. We'll make this as a function. Control X df record underscore audio. So record audio, no need. We'll just make it simple. Record audio. We will make it right. So this one we need to make it to with a try except block. So we will make it try, and we will check for exceptions. Except same spaces, except unknown value error, print of unable to recognize the audio. And another error is another exception also you can catch. So except that is request error. So we will print unable to produce results. Right. So now we will this is record underscore record audio. So instead of this, we will make some more changes here. Voice text equal to this one. Instead of printing this, I just comment it out. Hash for commenting. Let it be this. And then we will return voice text. So now print of record audio. Simple as such. So now it will print the voice text. So now what we have to do is while true. We are printing this, and then we will import another one time, right? Import time, and we will make it to sleep for once again. Time dot sleep. One second, 1 millisecond or 1 second or something, and then now print of say something. Okay, say something, we'll just say, and then we'll change it to this. Let's say something. Thing in Tamil. Because we want to do in Tamil, so we'll say Tamil. So, right, Control S, F5 will give, and then we'll see. உன்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன? It takes time. என்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன? நிறுத்து. தேடு. So we are able to make it. So I just this one cancel it because it will go on do that. So we need to record. We have recorded audio. We have sent audio. So what we have to do is we have to create a response now. So query is equal to record audio. So we need to respond to it. So respond of query. So we are going to create another function, df response of query. So now if some text, what text you can say, you need to change the phonetic keyboard, and we want to type something in Tamil. So we'll type something நிறுத்து. நிறுத்து. So நிறுத்து in query. So need to change again in query. Print and type in Tamil on the வெளியிடுகிறேன். Sorry. again mistake in this one. And then exit. Oh, sorry. Change language. Exit. So now elif எனது பெயர் என்ன. So we change this to உன்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன. பெயர் என்ன. So in query, if you want to change query, print என்னுடைய பெயர் கூகுள் உதவியாளர். So you need to type that. என்னுடைய பெயர் கூகுள் உதவியாளர். Google உதவியாளர். Right. So now elif. So else pass. Sorry. Else pass. Okay, this. Control S F5. உன்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன. நிறுத்து. So stop that. So now we will change. Instead of print, we will make it to talk. Say something in Tamil. So we will make print to say something in this one. We will make it to a TDS. We will use TDS, GTDS for simply speaking. What is the text? So we'll keep simply speak of str data. So we'll make it. So how we are going to make is we are going to use GTDS. Import GTDS. Import play sound. And for creating audio file, we need to create a random integer for creating a file name. Just for creating a file name, we are including the input random. That's not compulsion. So GTDS is equal to GTDS dot GTDS of text is equal to str data. Comma lang is equal to TA. So we'll just make it TDS is equal to TDS Code save some audio file. We are going to save it. So audio file. You need to create this audio file before that. So audio file is equal to, so some audio, some file we are creating, audio hyphen plus str of r. What is it r? Or we are going to create random.randint. So str of random dot rand int of 1 comma 10,000 something, instead of random dot randint plus dot mp3. So we created this save audio file. We have saved this audio file, and we are not going to play sound now. Play sound dot play sound of audio file. So now we play sound of audio file. Now we will create another. We will remove that file after having created. It will take up space, so we will remove that file. Just dot remove of audio file. So now we have removed it. So instead of print, we are going to say everything in simply speak. So here we'll put simply speak. So before that, we'll create print of str data. Here we'll give print of str data. So instead of print, you will say simply speak. Simply speak. And everywhere we go for print, we give simply speak. Simply speak. Simply speak. So done that. This is the data. So Control S. Anywhere? No, nowhere. Yeah, everything. Here we print it there. F5.
Say something in Tamil.
என்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன?
Say something in Tamil.
உன்னுடைய பெயர் என்ன?
என்னுடைய பெயர் கூகிள் உதவியாளர். Say something in Tamil.
நிறுத்து.
நான் வெளியேறுகிறேன்.
Simple as such. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a search engine using voice. Same thing. So simply say something in Tamil. We'll give simply speak in Tamil. Yeah. So we'll just change this to நான் இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உதவுவது. இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உங்களுக்கு உதவுவது சொல்லலாம். உங்களுக்கு இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உதவ வேண்டும், உதவ முடியும், உதவ வேண்டும். And so now we will make it so for respond instead of if they say search or தேடு in Tamil, we need to write a coding. So we'll just write it. If sorry, again I need to change the language now. If phonetic keyboard, again type phonetic keyboard. தேடு So we'll just do this in query. We need to take a value now. So again we will just do search is equal to record audio. So we will ask for the input. என்ன தேட விரும்புகிறீர்கள் என்று கேட்க வேண்டும். So we'll just ask for the input now. So record audio of என்ன தேட விரும்புகிறீர்கள். So record audio doesn't take any parameters, so now we will just make it as is equal to false. Sorry. Initially ask is equal to false, and then if ask is given, simply speak of ask. Sorry, ask. Ask is false. And if ask is given, so we will give ask is equal to false. Ask is equal to given. Simply speak of ask. So now we need to create a web browser. We need to import web browser, which is already installed with Python. Web browser. And now we have got the search string now. So URL is equal to https://google.com/search question mark we say get variable q is equal to plus search string. So this is simple. Now we need to open that web browser. Sorry, again I'm putting a mistake now. Web browser dot get dot open of URL, right? Yes, right. So this is going to be this one. So now again simply speak. நீங்கள் தேடியது இதோ. நீங்கள் தேடிய, right? We'll just change it. நீங்கள் தேடிய plus search. Search. தேடிய இதோ, right? So now we'll just run this. So third if we give, and I will just do that. So with this we'll just try again.
நான் இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உதவ வேண்டும்.
தேடு.
என்ன தேட விரும்புகிறீர்கள்?
Google speech recognition.
நீங்கள் தேடிய கூகுள் இதோ. நான் இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உதவ வேண்டும்.
தேடு.
என்ன தேட விரும்புகிறீர்கள்?
சரவணன் நடராஜன்.
நீங்கள் தேடிய சரவணன் நடராஜன் இதோ. நான் இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உதவ வேண்டும்.
நிறுத்து.
நான் இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உதவ வேண்டும்.
நிறுத்து.
நான் இவ்வாறு உங்களுக்கு உதவ வேண்டும்.
Something it doesn't get, yeah? நிறுத்து.
நான் வெளியேறுகிறேன்.
So yeah, that's what.